guys, I'm PewDiePie. Well, sometimes they wish. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Those intros were stupid. I was trying to do the second part. I failed to click that one button. So, I wish I was PewDiePie. I'm not. Well, anyways, today we're back. Today, guess what we're playing? Guess. You got it right. We're playing Assassin's Creed Rogue. I will do Call of Duty in another video, but Assassin's Creed Rogue or Assassin's Creed hits home for me. I love it. It's a great game. Well, not great. It's an awesome game to me. Now my frames per second's gonna glitch out, and I'm probably not gonna be able to play. I'm lucky that I'm even getting to the actual screen itself. I tried this one time and it just goes straight to like a frame per second. But remember, this is only the beginning. Yeah. I can't record this. Yeah. It don't matter. I've played it so far. It's a pretty good game. Or on PC. I played it on the 360. It was good. It actually has gone down. I usually have like 30 frames per second. Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna do it like this. Warning. There's swearing. Oh wait, is that F? Yeah, sorry about that. There's swearing, so just be careful. Yeah. I might just play Call of Duty, no, I'm sticking with this. No, I'm not denying this. This video is gonna be so laggy. Like, I mean, guys on your guys' screen are gonna see like a frame per second. This game is laggy. This screen recorder is like, I gotta find like a new actual real screen recorder that doesn't cause this much lag. This game's actually really cool. It's really cool. One second, guys. Gordon! Go where? Oh, bye. Love you. Love you! Sorry, guys. That's my mom. You're going to work. Love you. Yeah, if I didn't love you, then you would be getting me $20 gift cards. Speed is key. I'm gonna show you what I can do. Hey! Hey! Die! Whoa! Look at the leg. I can do it. Oof! Oh! Ah, I pressed anyways, it didn't work. So, can't really play the story mode, but so I'm just gonna play regular, like goofing off and all that. Only get a proper screen record, I'll do more of this. So once you see those little like white outlines, you can just do this, and then boom. How did he survive that? Oh god. Yeah. I'm trash. What'd I do? Oh god, what did I do with my mic? Oh. I don't know what I did. Ah! Run! Ah! They got me to shoot my butt! Ah! Come on. Ooh, they're safe. Oh my god. It's so laggy! I don't even. Oh god. Okay. Good thing I got out of that. I know this video actually might be really short because I do not like lag. I don't think anybody does, but I'm one of those people who will literally throw their computer out if they have lag. But I'm not doing with this one. This is like $1,000. This computer is exactly $1,000. For one reason, it's a terabyte. So I don't even care. I wanted to defeat this whole group. If it... Oh, God. He flew! I defeated the group! Yay. Well, that was Assassin's Creed. Like, one of the most shortest videos ever. No, that's it. I want to exit to the Animus. kind of a mess. One of my cousins did. One of me and my cousins made last night, so just my cousin. Enter. Get me out of this, please. 18 frames, 6 frames, oh my god. Take me. So, yeah. Oh wow, 32 minutes long. Long. Well, I guess we could count it as a long video, I guess. Didn't feel that long. Well, anyways, yeah. That's the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Sorry, that was still like one of the weirdest outros I've ever done. So, hold on, who's gonna do that? That's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye! Yes, nailed it.